And I'm Josh.
And we have 5 kids.
And we're still alive to tell about it.
It's important to play together as a family because families these days are so busy. Making an intentional effort to schedule time to be happy together, to laugh together, to learn things together is really important for your family health.
Here are 3 great ideas for family fun night for kids of all ages. One of the things we do with our family is a family cooking challenge.
We're going to split up into 2 teams and we're going to create smoothies today.
So what we do is break the family into 2 teams. We make sure that each team has one of the older kids on it so they can be the leader in that team. And then we put out a bunch of ingredients.
I'm not gonna lie about this. It's messy and it's a lot to clean up. For sure, it's at least an hour of entertainment. They're learning so much, they're working together, they're exploring their taste buds, so it's for sure worth it.
Greetings, boys and girls.
The next thing that we love to do is something we call the Family Showcase.
Family Showcase is basically a family variety show. And what that means is each member of the family gets 90 seconds to 2 minutes to showcase their favorite talent or whatever they're interested in.
So who's ready for the Family Showcase?
Me! My dad's usually the host. His name is Jeeves. He wears the hat and talks in this funny voice.
Isaiah!
Not only is Family Showcase fun, but it teaches a couple of different things. It teaches us to be good and respectful audience members, and it teaches us about taking risks and being in front of a group of people showing off something that you are proud of and that you've been working on. Woo! Does it go off the rails?
Of course. But it's great because it's fun and it's easy and it's quick and it doesn't take anything more than 20 minutes of us sitting around and laughing together.
Another thing we love to do is family storytelling.
Family storytelling is when we get in a circle and Erin and I will start a story and then prompt the kids to move the story along.
This is an interesting one because it doesn't necessarily depend on the age levels. The older kids, they may understand a story a little bit more, but the little kids can be really creative and they might not have 5 sentences to add, but they'll have a really fun character or
just a word, right?
A really fun word.
And it was a mystery.
Family storytelling is one of my favorite activities because it takes nothing. We just sit in a circle on the floor and use our brains. These things look different for our family because we have 5 kids, but that doesn't mean they don't work for families with just 2 or 3 kids. For family fun nights, the most important thing to remember is to go with the flow. If you're relaxed and having fun, the kids will too.
We live happily ever after.
Good job. Well done.